Hi everyone and welcome back to Decor Art. When we talk about home design, we often focus on the interior, but your home actually began long before you step through the front door. It began at the main gate. The main gate is the very first thing people see. It is the face of your home and the boundary between your private world and the public street. A great gate design doesn't just provide security and privacy. It adds a massive amount of curb appeal and value to your property. Whether you are building a modern villa or classic family home, choosing the right gate is essential. In today's video, we are going to explore the latest main gate design, look at different materials like wood, iron, wood, and laser cut steel, and talk about how to choose the perfect gate for your home style. Let's get started. The first thing to consider when choosing a main gate is the style of your house. Your gate should be a preview of what's inside. If you have a modern, minimalized home, your gate should reflect that clean, straight line. Your gate should reflect that with clean, straight line and simple shapes. On the other hand, if you have a more traditional or Mediterranean style house, a more ornate and decorative gate would be a better fit. The goal is to create visual harmony so that the gate feels like a neutral part of the architecture rather than something added on as afterthought. Now let's talk about materials. Wood is a classic choice that never goes out of style. It offers a neutral warmth and sense of luxury. Solid wooden gates are perfect for maximum privacy because they block the view completely. However, because wood is exposed to elements, it doesn't require regular maintenance like staining or oiling. A very popular modern alternative is wood plastic composite. It looks exactly like wood but is much more durable and resistant to sun and rain, making it a low maintenance choice for busy homeowners. If security and strength are your main priorities, metal is the way to go. Raw iron gates are famous for their strength and beauty. They can be handcrafted into beautiful, intricate patterns that look very elegant and timeless. For a more contemporary metal look, stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum are fantastic options. They are rust resistant and come in many sleek designs. A huge trend right now is the black metal gate. A matte black finish on metal gate looks incredibly sophisticated and modern, and it creates a beautiful contrast against the green planets or light-colored stone pillars. One of the most exciting innovations in gate design is the laser cut or CNC gate. Using advanced technology, intricate patterns can be cut directly into metal sheets. This allows for total customization. They can choose geometric patterns, floral design, or even abstract art. These gates are perfect because they allow light and air to pass through while still providing a good level of privacy. They are like piece of art for the exterior of your home. When it comes to how the gate function, you have two main options, swing gates and sliding gates. Swing gates are traditional and very welcoming, but they require a lot of space behind them to open fully. If you have a sloped driveway or limited space, a sliding gate is a much better solution. They slide long track parallel to your wall, saving a lot of space. Most modern gates can also be automated, adding a motor so they can open your gate with a remote control, or your smartphone is not just a luxury, it's a great security feature that allow you to enter your home without getting out of your car at night. Now let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions about a main gate. A question I get all the time is how do I choose a gate for a small house? If you have a small entrance, avoid heavy solid designs. They can make the space feel even smaller. Instead, go for a slat design or a grill gate with vertical lines. Vertical lines draw the eye upward and create an illusion of high-end space. Using a higher color like silver or light gray can also help the entrance feel more open and less imposing. Another common question is how much privacy do I really need? This depends on where you live. If you are on a busy street, a solid gate or lowered design where the slats are angled is the best because it blocks the view of passers-by while still allowing some airflow. If you live in a cute gated community, you might prefer an open design that allows you to see the beautiful landscaping of your front yard and makes your home feel more approachable. Many homeowners also ask about maintenance. No matter what material you choose, your gate will be outside 24 hours. To keep it looking new, you should wash it down with water occasionally to remove salt and dust. If you have a metal gate, check for any sign of rust every year and tough up the paint if you need it. If you have an automated gate, make sure to keep the track clean of leaves and dirt and have the motor serviced once a year to ensure it keeps running smoothly. Don't forget the pillars and the boundary wall. A gate is only as beautiful as frame it is. Using stone cladding, brickwork, or high quality poster on your gate pillars. Use stone cladding, brickwork, or high quality plaster on your gate pillars can elevate the whole look. Adding house numbering or letterbox that matches the design of the gate is a small detail that show a lot of professional care. Lately, let's talk about lighting. Lighting is essential for both safety and beauty. Adding wall sconces or pillar light on both sides of the gate makes your entrance look grand and welcoming at night. You can also use recessed lighting at the bottom of the gate to highlight the texture of the material. Good lighting ensures that your beautiful gate design is visible even after the sun goes down and makes it easier for you and your guests to find the entrance. I hope the steps and the variety of designs we have seen today gave you some great inspiration for your home's entrance. Your main gate is the guardian of your home and the start of your design story. Take your time to find a design that offers the perfect balance of security, privacy, and style. Which of the gate design we saw today was your favorite? Do you prefer the neutral look of wood, the strength of wrought iron, or the artistic look of laser cut metal? Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful and enjoyed looking at this design. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to Decor Art for more home design inspiration, exterior and trends, and practical style tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.